The Evolution Theory by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was a naturalist born in England on February 12, 1809, best known for developing the theory of evolution, with widely held notion that all life is related and has descended from a common ancestor.
In 1931, he embarked on a 5-year survey voyage around the world on the HMS Beagle that became legendary. After considerable exploration in South America, the Beagle reached the Galapagos Islands in September 1835,
in which he observed finches with the appearance and behavior of quickly adapting to this closed and rapidly changing environment. Darwin also observed two different kinds of giant tortoises, distinguished by the shapes of their shells.
His studies around the globe led him to formulate his theory of evolution, and in 1859 he published The Origin of Species, a work of scientific literature which introduced the scientific theory that populations evolve over the course of generations through a process of natural selection.
Alfred Russel Wallace was a British naturalist, explorer, geographer, anthropologist, and biologist, best known for independently convincing the theory of evolution through natural selection.
Darwin wrote 4 postulates. The first one explains that living forms are not static, but they evolve. Species change continuously, some will originate and some others will extinguish.
The second one explains that evolutionary processes are gradual, slow, and continuous, without sudden changes or discontinuous breaks.
The third one exposes that similar organisms are related and come from a common ancestor. All living organisms can be tracked back to a unique origin of life.
The fourth one explains that natural selection is a key, and it's divided into phases that explain the whole system. The first phase in variability, the appearance of spontaneous modifications in individuals.
The second phase is about the selection being through survival in the struggle for life. The fittest individuals, the ones that were born with favorable spontaneous modifications, are the ones to cope with the environment and will have a better chance of survival, reproducing and creating offspring with those advantages.